Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this pink halo eye look. What is it? Is it spotlight eye? Yeah, something like that. I did this look a long time ago and everyone wanted a tutorial on it, so I finally did it with a nude lip. So yeah, if you want to learn how to do it, let's get started. So I'm gonna get started with my Anastasia de Brow pomade, surprise surprise, in dark brown, and then I'm going to be using my Pretty Vulgar double-sided brush for my eyebrows because it's so thin, it's so good. Okay, so I like to start off by brushing my eyebrows so they are in the right place, and then I like to outline them first so I know like how to guide myself, you know, because I like my eyebrows just really crisp, like with a really sharp edge, and then I just fill them in. Make sure you put most of the product on the tail of the eyebrow, and you gradually put less whenever you move towards the front because you want to make kind of like an ombre effect at the beginning. And then we just move on to the other one. You know how they say like eyebrows are sisters, not twins? Well, mine are literal strangers. And then I'm going to carve out my eyebrows with these two brushes. One is from the Makeup Shack and one is from Tarte. And then I'm going to use my Tarte Shade Tape Concealer. So first I'm going to be using this flat brush to carve out my eyebrows. And then I'm going to use the fluffy brush to kind of blend everything out and evenly spread the all the concealer throughout my eyelid. Then I'm going to set my eyelids with this Makeup Shack brush and my Laura Mercier powder in translucent. After my eyelids are set and ready, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush. It's a little bit dense, so that helps you pack on product, and I'm going to use that pink color from the 35B palette from Morphe and just pack it on my crease with tapping motions because that packs on the most product. And then I'm going to blend the edges with a fluffier brush, a clean fluffier brush. Then I'm just gonna keep packing it on and blending it, packing it and blending it. I'm gonna be going back and forth with those two brushes so we can really get that pigment. Then I'm going to take that little like purple color from the 35B palette again, and I'm going to put that in the outer edge of my eyes, the outer and inner edge of my eyes, so it kind of like deepens the look. So I'm gonna pack that on with the dense brush and again blend it into the lighter pink on top. And then I'm going with the Slay by Casey palette, and I'm going to use that beautiful wine shade. And again, doing the same thing to just deepen the look. Oh, there they are. Look at that. Look at them eyes. And then I'm going with this little brush from BH Cosmetics and just kind of creating a spotlight eye, which is just like you make the center of your eyelid lighter, but make sure the top has a like crisp edge to it. And then I'm taking this little pencil brush and blending the edges of the concealer with the shadow with the lighter pink that we used at first. And then I'm taking this flat brush with the Colourpop on the cusp Super Shock Cheek thingy. This is so pretty. It's like a highlighter, but it's like a cream highlighter. It's so good. It's my favorite ever. So I'm going to put that in the middle of my eye where we put the concealer. And then I'm going to go with this Ciate London eyeliner and just line my upper lash line to just kind of like make my eyelashes blend in. I'm not doing a wing. And then I'm going to use my Lily lashes in Miami. They're so pretty. With the Coquette Lashes lash adhesive, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes, and then I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Peacock Flare waterproof mascara, favorite mascara ever. Okay, so we're done. Let's move on to the face. I'm going to start with my Laura Mercier and I'm just gonna put that on the highest points of my face, sort of. Yeah, because then I mix this foundation with the L'Oreal Infallible one, because it's like I'm like in between shades, so mixing them, it just makes my perfect color. And then I'm going to use this Makeup Shack foundation brush, which is so good. Makeup Shack brushes are so good. And I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and putting it in the highest points of my face. Then I'm going to blend it with my Take Two Cosmetics beauty sponge. This is so good. I literally haven't touched my beauty blender ever since I got this sponge. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe to cream contour. And using a Real Techniques brush to blend it out. And then I'm just going to bake with my Laura Mercier powder. Whenever I bake, I like for my sponge to be wet because that just kind of like makes the powder like soak into your skin. Again, this powder is translucent, so it doesn't add any extra coverage, so don't mind me using a lot. And then I just spread it for the rest of my face. I like to have my face powdered because I know that my makeup is not gonna come off. Then I'm going to use another Makeup Shack brush to contour, and I'm going to use the Becca Be a Light palette. This palette is so pretty. I'm going to be, oh, there's me. I'm going to be using that bronzing shade. So this bronzer has like a shimmer to it, which I thought I would never like, but it just makes you look so healthy and so pretty. I absolutely love it. I don't think I could ever go back to matte bronzers, honestly. Then I'm going to use the Tarte Park Avenue Princess, Park Avenue Princess contour thingy, and I'm going to use this flat brush to contour my nose and get it all snatched up. And then I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brush, and I'm going to use that same palette, and I'm going to use the blush in it. It's so pretty. I absolutely love that palette. Then I'm going in with my Colourpop highlighter and my Morphe highlighting brush. Look how pretty that is. This highlighter is kind of like cream, but it's super easy to work with and it's so pretty. Then I'm going to become a pinche pendeja and I'm going to use my Allenized highlighter from my baby Allen. This is so good. Like, I literally use it so much. I don't know how I haven't hit pan yet. Then I'm going to take the first pink that we used and put it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to use this black eyeliner by Sleek and I'm going to put it in my waterline. Then I'm going with the MAC Extended Play Lash Mascara. This mascara is perfect for lower lashes because the wand is just tiny, tiny, tiny. And then I broke my palette, and at the same time I broke my heart. Then I'm going to use this Ratchet Colourpop lip liner. You can literally tell is my favorite ever. I literally use it every single time I do my makeup. It's so pretty. And then I'm gonna go in with the Sexy Mother Plucker lip gloss by Soap & Glory. Alright, we are done. We're gonna take off this dirty ass headband and take our hair down. And we're done. Just kidding. We gotta put some dry shampoo on this greasy hair and try to make something decent out of it. Oh my god, look at her. And now we are for real done. Look at that. This is a very dramatic look for me. I don't really do eyeshadow, but I hope you guys liked it and I hope you guys learned from it. Tag me or mention me if you recreate it so I can see you guys' gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous faces. So make sure you like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!